Hello from the Hotel Santa Fe, where we're going to be staying for 2 nights while we're here. So, yeah, it's first time staying here. We have stayed at the Cheyenne, we stayed at the Marvel Hotel, so we thought we'd stay somewhere different and come and check out the Santa Fe. Of course, it's all cars themed, so yeah, let's go and check it out, see what's at the Hotel Santa Fe. So just came into the room now, you can see everybody's in here enjoying themselves. So yes, this is the room at the Santa Fe, and yeah, it all looks really nice, doesn't it? I like the mirror. It looks a bit like a pizza hut actually, that, with the arrow there. So let's go into the bathroom. I'll show you what's in here. All the amenities. You've got a box of tissues there with the cars on it. Hairdryer if you need it. Some soap there. Decent sized cosmetics area which is here. Full size mirror there. It's me. Hello. And in here you've got the shower with all the checkerboard, because of course it's cars themed, and the shower curtains of course got the checkered flags on there. It's got a bath as well, so if you want to have a bath while you're here you can do. I submit my feet are absolutely aching after a full day in the park, so that sounds like heaven to me. But I'm just going to wander down here, so you can have adjoining rooms as well. So there's a room there. We're all in the same one today, so we've got 2 decent sized beds for us to share here, which is good. Picture there of, is that Mater that's on the picture there? He's looking like he's all asleep. Mater. And we've got of course, the cozy cones there as our little lamps, which is really cute. Casper's happy to be here. And yeah, old fashioned phone. Look at that, that's weird, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So one thing I do want to have a look at is, I do like all these, the cone theme in here. Nice little occasional chair, which is there. Let's have a look around to see what sockets we've actually got here. I think they're all going to be based around this side here, looking at it. So some sockets there, and yeah, they're all going to be on that side of the room. So yeah, looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's quite cute, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite basic, I have to say. And
it is.
It does kind of remind me a little bit of an 90s kid's bedroom.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
The border.
Yeah, I'll show you the border up at the top. You can see it up there. It does look very much like how I had my bedroom when I was a kid, actually, and I really wanted those lights as well if I was a kid. Yeah. But yeah, it's all right. Does the job, doesn't it? So hopefully it'd be nice and quiet.
You don't spend long, do you?
No.
In your room.
Exactly.
Well, some people might, but we definitely don't.
No. Well, I think we're going to get a bit of sleep now, aren't we? And then we'll have Explorer of the hotel tomorrow. So we're heading over to get some breakfast now. As you can see where we're staying, in block 24, which is here, which is right opposite Cheyenne, which is just there. So we're going to head down. We're on floor 3. So we're going to head down there and head over to get some breakfast. It's a beautiful morning, nice blue skies today. So we're on we're the furthest away from reception, so it's a nice little walk up to there. It's all set in different blocks, as you can see here. We're in block 24, there's block 26 there. There's loads of them all over the place. 21 there. Some of them have got multiple floors, some of them are on one floor, depending if it's accessible rooms. And they've got these nice little old-fashioned highway roads as the pathway which lead us up to there. So it all looks really, really nice. I say it looks lovely, doesn't it? They've got all these little rocks and stuff as well. Looks great. And that brings us up to reception, which is just over here. So we'll take you through reception and we'll take you down to where we're going to have some breakfast. There is a baggage drop-off, because it's so busy at the moment. We're saying you couldn't actually use it if you were in the car. So yeah, they encourage you to keep it in there because they're so busy. But yeah, there is a baggage drop-off ordinarily which you can use. And I'm guessing these people must be people that are on a coach, and they're the only ones that are able to use it. So we're going to main reception here. The doors are closing on us then. It's really weird. So it's a nice reception here, nice wide open area. So you do have meet and greets. You've got Goofy there. We saw Pluto actually earlier on as well. So Pluto's there. It's an information desk where you can pick up rat passes or fast passes if you need them. The Starbucks. This is all really nice. There's also toilets which are down here. Which are free to use. I like the theming. It's all the old 1950s style cars. Looks great. There is a shop too. You can pick up some little last bits of merch which are in there. I'll have a little look in there afterwards, I think. But we're going to head down for breakfast now. So we're coming down for the breakfast now. You can see that's what Casper's got. He's got a massive pan au chocolat and of course the obligatory Mickey cake, which is there. I'm not even sure what it is. But it looks amazing.
It's Mickey shaped.
Everything's Mickey shaped is awesome, isn't it?
Mickey waffle bar.
And a Mickey waffle, yeah. So and I've got some sausage, some bacon. I've got a bit of ham and cheese, some toast. I've basically got a bit of everything because there's a massive selection here. And I've, of course, got the big tray Mickey cake and the waffle as well, because look how cute that is. You can't not get it, can you? It's absolutely amazing. And a croissant and some pan au chocolat as well. So the girls are going to get theirs now, whilst we took into ours. Here is the huge map which shows the whole scale of the resort here at Santa Fe. It's absolutely huge. It spreads out massively. So we're in 24, which is the one just up there. You can see all the way down there. We're currently kind of down this area here. Reception, just all that area there. So we're basically going to walk up this road here, all the way up to the top bit, and then there's a path. You can see where the river is just there, and we walk alongside there, all the way down to the park. So let's go do it. It's our hotel block where we're staying, which is part of the Mater group of rooms. So it's just that block that's right there. We're on the 3rd floor. So basically what we have to do to get to the park is you walk down this path. Over that little bridge, you can see some people walking across just there. Unfortunately, there is actually some construction walls there, so ordinarily you just turn left. It's about a 10-minute walk, but you've got to go all the way around through Cheyenne to get there, which adds around about 10 minutes onto the actual walk itself, which isn't great, to be honest with you. It's not ideal, because it's putting on an extra bit, which at the end of the day, your legs definitely feel it. But yeah, so it's all that construction wall there that's meaning you've got to go all the way around through Hotel Cheyenne. It's a lovely hotel though if you haven't stayed there. Do check out one of our previous vlogs from when we have stayed there. So that is the end of our stay here at Hotel Santa Fe, and it's all right. It's all right, isn't it?
Honestly,
Yeah.
just for us, the amount of time that we spend in the room, it's just perfect.
It's nothing fancy. It's nothing upmarket or anything like that. You pay upmarket prices, but you're paying that because it's Disney, and you're paying that because you've got the short walk straight into the park, and you get your tickets included, which means it makes everything really easy. Even on a sellout day like we've had over Easter, where Casper's just dancing in the background. Oh dear, this is brilliant. So if you've had a sellout day, if you book a hotel room, if there's hotel rooms left, you can still get into the park, aren't you?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So it's a bit of a backdoor way, if they've sold out, to still get in. So yeah, we've had a fantastic stay, and it's been really, really good. Really, really enjoyed it, and it's been nice, and the beds are comfy, aren't they?
Yeah, they are actually. Had a good night's sleep both nights.
Yeah, it's nice. So we're going to go down. We're going to get some breakfast now, and that'll be pretty much it. So we're going to have another day in the park, and then we'll head off on our travel to the next park. So if you have enjoyed this video and this tour, don't forget to hit the like button, hype it up, and we'll see you in the next one. Let the positivity in, and bye guys.
Another day out, there's another treat to find. Family on the move with adventure on our mind. Thrills and food, we're all about that fun. Big laughs, good vibes, share with everyone. Stick with us, there's more good times about. Let the positivity in and ride it out. And ride it out.